Hi, my name is Isaac, and today I'm going to make you an apple pie without the use of apples. This is a recipe that was commonly made during the Great Depression because I guess apples were too expensive, so they used Ritz crackers instead. There are no apples used in this recipe, however, the mixture of Ritz crackers and all the other ingredients trick your taste buds into thinking it's apples. So the first step you need to do is grab some pastry dough. You can just grab your own pastry dough from the store, but I made my own, so for convenience sake, I'm just going to keep that out of this video. Next step, preheat your oven to about 400 degrees. For the second step, you need to grab 2 cups of water, pour that into a saucepan, and set it on the stove at a nice boil. While your water is boiling, go ahead and take out your pastry dough, roll it out flat, about 13 inches will do, and set it onto the pie plate. Step number 3, mix together 1.5 cups of white sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of cream of tartar and add that to the mixture of boiling water. After adding the white sugar and the cream of tartar, grab a stack of Ritz crackers. You're gonna add in 25, but don't add them all in at the same time. Just do about half. Add about half in, stir it, add the other half, stir it. After everything is incorporated, let it boil for a couple minutes. Step number 4, after the cracker mixture has been boiled, pour it into the pastry-lined pie pan and sprinkle with cinnamon and dot with butter or margarine. If you have more pastry dough, you can add a top layer. If not, the recipe will be fine either way. If you do put a top layer, make sure to seal the edges and cut vents in the top so that it would release moisture while it's cooking. Final step, put the pie into the oven for about 30 minutes or until golden brown. Take it out to eat. Not the best looking, but what else do you expect from food from the Great Depression?